let's pop into it. Let's pop into another episode of teaching you, the tips and tricks of Builderall. The tips and tricks of Builderall. All right. Before we get started, let's like, share, and subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe. But let's tap into it today. We're gonna go over how easy it is to make a funnel. That's what we're gonna go over today. How easy it is to make a funnel, right? A sales funnel. Let's go ahead and tap into the dashboard. Let's go to tools. Let's pop over here to funnel builder. There's more than one way to make a funnel. You know what I'm saying? It's more than one way to actually do it. But when you create a new funnel, I'm gonna put the test up here, and then the theme. You can pick a theme: business funnel, app funnel, course, muscle mass, card. But we're gonna go with the business funnel. Boom. We're gonna create it right here, right? So now you can create your own pages. You know what I mean? Like the lead capture, you can pick which one you want and things like that, right? And then you can pick whichever one and create your page. So that's what we're gonna do first. So we're just gonna click this one. We got that. So boom, it adds it to our funnel, so we can actually see it on the sheet, right? So now you want to add your next page. So you're gonna go to the plus sign. Now you got the lead capture page. Now you need your sales page. So you got a one-time offer page. You got a down sale video, sales letter. You got the landing page. You have the product launch. If you just want to launch the product, you know what I'm saying, and just add let people know about the product and things like that. So that's what we'll do. We'll grab that page. Then the way that we connect it, we grab it from the little O area right here, click it, drag it over, boom. Now it's connected. Okay. That's how you disconnect it. So grab it, take it over, boom. We on. So that's connected. So now you need to add your next page. So you might want to add another product page to talk more about the business or not. You know what I'm saying? Then product page, and then you got a checkout page. You add that to the right. So this one has got the check. This one had the form. This got the checkout. So you're gonna connect this page to this page, right? So then to add your next page, you hit it again, boom. So you can do an upsell to sell them more stuff after they check out or what have you, or before they check out. Then this the webinar process. So we ain't doing a webinar, so we're not gonna deal with that. And then now you got the thank you page. And so then you got the thank you page, right? And then you'll connect your thank you page. After they check out, they'll say thank you. Then if you want to add their download page where you gave them a free download or something, they'll be able to get that download page, right? So, boom, with a download page. So this is the download page. To be honest, whatever they did to get here, they got that form. They probably download. Okay, let's just do it twice. Let me just explain something real quick. So you can put a download page here, a download page right here, in between here, for the simple fact that you can give them something that they can say. If you gave them like you doing a product launch of a book or whatever it is, right? And you gave them something free, a digital free ebook. So you'll put your download page here, so they can download their ebook, right, the free one. And then you'll turn around and put another download page if they bought another something that required them to download it, right? After that thank you page. Okay. So this how you create your funnel. And then at this point, if you want to create it, then you would just go. Like if you need to do something with this. Actually, never mind. Let's just go and Oh yeah, okay. So your checkout, you need to choose your, your image for your product and things like that. You can put all that stuff in here. You know what I mean? The price, description of the product, the name of the product, and then the image of the product. You can put all that stuff right here and give it that, a name, right? And then you can also do the same thing with the form. Oops, not that. Wrong thing. To configure the form, name the form, and then you go to the list. So if you got load your list, if you already got email list, you load your list, and then you just go and scroll down and find the list that you're looking for, right? That you want to add this to, and we add it to just for what they call the shits and giggles. Do the test, and then URL. Pending registration, you know what I mean? They'll get sent to the next page where they subscribe. Pending subscription, you'll send the URL to the next page. Sign up confirmation, next page. Unsubscribe link, you know what I'm saying? That just, you don't got to put nothing in there. And then you got campaign, and then you load the campaign. So like an email campaign, I don't have an email campaign loaded up because it was just a test, right? So then we put generate site. Now it's going to generate the site for us, right? Go to the web page. Boom, here we go. Now all the pages is here now. So only thing we got to do now is go through and edit each page. Edit each page, what you want here. But you know what I'm saying? Whatever you selling, you go in, edit each page. You want to change the content. Well, I just showed y'all. You should know how to do this already. You know what I'm saying? You should know how to do this already. Testing, heading, or whatever. You can put whatever. You know what I'm saying? You can delete stuff, add stuff. You can even add things to the page, right? And let me see. We can see that I think we added already the link, subscribe pending. So I don't think we didn't add it. I don't know, but you can add it here too. So if you didn't add it there, you can add it here. The next page that they're going to, right, when they subscribe. The next page they're going to. If you got pages on here, okay, and they're going to the next page in the funnel. Boom. That's how easy it is to get. Boom. Hit there, and then they going to the next page of the funnel. You know what I'm saying? That's where they're going. And then you save that. So that's saved, right? You know what I'm saying? And then you want to go to the next page, you click that, go to your product launch page, save and edit, save and exit, Save and exit. Now you go to this page and go through and change the different things that you need to change in this page, right? Change the pictures or whatever the case may be. So all the pages is there. That's just how easy it is to build a funnel with Builderall. That's the easiest way to build a funnel with Builderall. All your pages is there, as you can see, and all the pages is there. And so now at this point, you are set. So you gotta just go through and create all your pages. You just gotta go through and create your pages. That's it. Right? So that's just the easier way to create. You go to the download page so they can get their download. So this is the easy way to create funnel. This is how easy it is to create funnels through Builderall. Listen, if you like this content, like, share, subscribe. Like, share, and subscribe, right? You know what I'm saying? And if you want to sign up for the free 14-day trial, I got the link down below. And if you need any help, comment below. Any help with anything, because some things can get some kind of difficulty. Some things can get kind of difficult, and some things that they might not explain as good. You know what I mean? And a lot of other things that I learned that they didn't teach. So always put a comment below. Ask the questions. There's no dumb questions. Ask the questions, and I'll get back with you and help you answer all the questions, right? And then also, if you need help with just getting your funnel built out, you don't want to deal with all this stuff. You want somebody to build it out for you. You know what I'm saying? And you just take your hands off. You know what I mean? And let somebody else do it. Listen, tap the link to Skillful Solutionz, and we'll build it out for you. We'll build everything out for you. Tap the link below, and we'll get back with you. One of my team members will get back with you, and we'll teach you. I mean, we'll build everything out for you. So once you hit the link, what's going to happen is you're going to go to the form and fill out your information, and someone will get back with you. You're going to ask some questions, answer some questions about your business and everything like that, and then someone will definitely get back with you. But listen, that's a quick summary of how easy it is to build a funnel through Builderall. This your boy RV, Skillful Solutionz, and I'm out. Peace.